You should consider an all-gas 48-inch professional range. You've been led to believe that dual fuel is automatically better, but gas with its moisture heat is best for roasting, and a gas infrared broiler is far better than an electric. That said, it's simple to buy the wrong range. The key is buying the best 48-inch range for you and how you use it. In this video, you'll learn about all the features as well as the problems for brands like Wolf, Thermador, and JennAir, as well as a few less familiar yet interesting brands like BlueStar and Hestan. We'll cover the difference between all gas and dual fuel, different features for each brand, and the list of the best brands and models. There is no single best all gas pro range. However, by the end, you will know which range is right for you. Before we talk about brands and models, you should know the difference between all gas and dual fuel. We covered the roasting and boiling of gas. Electric, however, is drier and more precise for better baking. However, many manufacturers like Wolf, Thermador, Hestan, and SKS will upgrade their dual fuel ranges with better clocks, enhanced burners, and other upgraded features. It's almost two different types of stoves, so much so we created a separate video just for dual fuel 48-inch ranges. Wolf is the cooking brand owned by Sub-Zero and is made in the US. They're best known for professional style ranges with their signature red knobs. The grill and griddle are the more intense infrared. It's similar to the outdoor gas sear zone for better directed heat with less cleanup. Wolf offers a French top as well. French tops look like griddles but work completely differently. A griddle is designed to be consistent. A French top is designed to vary the heat outward so you can cook many items at different temperatures. You also leave the food in the pans on a French top instead of placing it directly on the griddle. The simmer is excellent as well, with every burner capable of 300 BTU. However, the all-gas model is a bit underpowered, with only a 15,000 BTU max. Wolf's all-gas is not self-cleaning and is simple single convection with no clocks, timers, or smart functionality. Thermador produces two different series of ranges, the Pro Grand series and the Harmony series. The Grand is the premium offering the two, with one larger capacity oven, a higher BTU output at 22,000 BTU on one burner, and self-cleaning and all gas with a small radial clock. However, Harmony may be more popular because its shallow depth doesn't protrude from your cabinets, unlike the Pro Grand. Both ranges have the Star burner, which can simmer better at 100 degrees on two burners. It's also raised for easy cleaning. In 2009, they changed the style, added Wi-Fi, which works with recipe tie-ins through their Home Connect app, but dropped their back burners from 18 to 15,000 BTU. The burners are all gas with good simmer, but the grill and griddle are electric and slow to respond. The ovens are straight single convection, not dual or pure convection like some of the others. JennAir is a premium brand made by the Whirlpool Corporation. Their two series, Rise and Noir, are beautifully designed. JennAir is under $10,000 plus a $1,399 rebate. The grill is now infrared, along with decent output at 20,000 BTU power burners with a good mix of 18 and 15,000, with a twin convection for more even heat. They also coated the griddle with chromium so it's the easiest to clean. The Wi-Fi experience is the most robust, with the ability to see pictures of the cooked food before it's cooked and ties to recipes when it works. JennAir has great features, its reliability and availability could be better. The Wi-Fi experience is well conceived but poorly rated at 2.5 stars on Google Play. BlueStar is a commercial cooking company originating in Pennsylvania. They have 5 series of ranges, the Platinum, the R&B, the Precious Metals, and 2 series of lower priced ranges called Custom. They're known for their restaurant no-frill styling, open unsealed burners, and high output. You can customize BlueStar any number of ways. They're available in 1,000 colors and 10 trims, and you can even customize the cooking surface. Their BlueStar On Demand allows you to upload a high-quality JPEG to be the front of your range for endless design options. BlueStar's Platinum series is their premium all-burner range with open burners, a 25,000 BTU max output, and a combination of 22, 18, and 15,000 BTU burners. The Platinum is pure convection with a heating element in the back for more even temperatures in multi-rack cooking because the heat is blown in from the back, not the bottom like other ranges. The R&B allows you to have a charbroiler, griddle, and French top in multiple configurations. The output is a bit less with 22,000 BTU max, and it has regular convection. If you're looking for a range that has commercial characteristics, or if you want to pop a color in your kitchen, you should consider a BlueStar range. Having open burners is harder and easier to clean. In a spill, you do have to clean underneath of the top. However, most everything is removable and can be cleaned at the sink, unlike a pseudo burner. You have no clock, timer, or controls on BlueStar ranges. None of their ranges are self-cleaning either. The grill and griddle are regular gas, not infrared, so it doesn't have the directed heat and will be harder to clean as well. Hestan is the latest commercial company to develop a residential range. It is now the highest output with a 30,000 BTU seal burner, along with a combination of 23 and 15,000 BTU burners. The attention to detail for finishes is noteworthy, with solid brass igniters and metal knobs and solid handles. The oven is called Pure Vection and changes speeds and temperatures to keep an even heat in the oven. Hestan's also available in 12 now groovy California-styled colors. Hestan does not have a grill, and like BlueStar, offers no controls or self-cleaning. Its Pure Vection is single convection. We'll be testing their claims in a future live stream video. Pro ranges need more service than any other appliance. All gas is better than dual fuel at 13% repair in the first year versus almost 30% for dual fuel. That said, a 48-inch range is also much larger than the average appliance with more burners, ignition systems, and 2 ovens. Before you get panicked, half these ranges are fixed without parts. Installation and customer education are 2 big factors that contribute to the life of your range and service calls. Igniters are one of the most common repairs for gas ranges in general, but it's usually just a burner. In a 48-inch range, you do have at least 3 to 7 more. However, service for sophisticated appliances becomes crucial. You want your range to work on Thanksgiving, so always inquire about repair before you buy any appliance. First, there is no single best professional 48-inch range. It really depends on what you value. Is it output? Then look at Hestan or BlueStar. Grill or French top, then Wolf is a good choice. For a good all-around range, look at JennAir or Thermador. Pick the best range for how you cook, but be careful. You will need service on any of these ranges statistically at least twice, so make sure there is available service in your area before you buy. Click the link at the end of the video to download our free pro cooking buying guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.